All right, so this is a video on how, as a student, if you're a student, how do you get in on a class on EdPuzzle? So what you're going to do is go to edpuzzle.com first. Okay, so you're going to go back to EdPuzzle. So let's just start with this one. You're going to see this. You want to log in. You do not sign up. You want to log in. And obviously, if you're a student, these are for students, you are going to be I am a student. And when you hit I'm a student, you're going to go scroll down here. You sign in with Google. We already have an account, guys. You do not make one up. You do not do anything. You already have one. Sign in with Google. When we sign in, it's going to ask us for our password, username, the whole thing automatically. Now, because I want to get in on that acceleration class, I'm going to hit plus. And I'm going to type in the code that was given to us. And this will be working for anything, any teacher that will do it, okay? So for this one, it's Sinjo P. And you find a class. And once that system is said that, automatically you will be added in there. And you hit my class, and it will be this one right here. And now here we go. You are now, as a student, you should have access to this now. So that's the class code with Sinjo P, and you should have access to this at this point. For teachers to create their class, Ms. Burkett is going to run a lesson for that one, and so we'll go from there.